Hi, my name is Karen Duran. I am studying at Universidad Privada Norte, Lima, Peru. This is a photo of a music group. They are Queen. I like this band. Their names are Freddie, Brian Jones, and Roger. Are singer and musical. They are not young, they are old now. Freddie is in front. He is short hair and mustache. Ryan is on the left. He has big hair. John is behind Freddie. He is between Brian and Roger. Jogger is the right. He has light right, less hair. They are smart and interesting. They are study. This is good food. Thank you.